Akiruta itua ria cira ucio mucirithania Mugoka Mau augite mathikuota makiria ma 580 aria matoire mugunda-ini wa uria wari mubunge wa Nyandarua ya Rugongo mutigaire JM Kariuki riu mena thiku 30 mathame kuma mugunda-ini ucio.
The plaintiffs are free to take it or vacate from the Switzerlands altogether. However, having dismissed the plaintiff's case, the plaintiffs will either have to vacate the land entirely or take the offer given to them by the family if the sale is still there. And if they opt for the latter, the court gives them 30 days from the date of this judgment to relocate with all their belongings.
Augite mathikuota acio matinarugamia wira muiganu wa kuonania uria megwateire gicunje kia eka makiria ma 800 cia mugunda ucio uria uri mwena wa Olkalao Nyandarua.
Father PW2 testified that by the time JM Kariuki died, he had not transferred the land to them, and she claimed there was the premature death of JM Kariuki. The plaintiffs can therefore not force or coerce the defendants to sell to them the suit lands by claiming that they settled with the loans owed to AFC.
Mathikuota acio mahandire cira ucio igoti-ini makiuga ni mabatie gwikirwo ithabu-ini ria atumia 10 a Nyakinyua aria mereirwo kuheo gicunje kia mugunda wa mutigaire JM Kariuki thutha wao kunyita itemi hari kuriha thire wa tiri.
Neugire tondu twi Nyakinyua ni agutunengera mugunda uyu wa muthungu atwethere ngano tuhande turi Nyakinyua tuhote kuriha mugunda utuike witu. Aicoka akira aria maria muhuthungu kuu gutire thikuota ona mautonya manyitane na Nyakinyua matuike memba nigetha tuhote kugana mugunda uyu.
Maugite matiganeire na itua riu ria igoti makiuga ni mehariirie gucokia cira ucio riko.
Itua riria riatuo ni igoti umuthi riria ndinora ni atubeba tondu ingirora miaka iria Nyakinyua aheirwo mugunda ucio ithie irihire thire ri 1986 nirio thirikari etikiririe Nyakinyua neke authorize the fee
no cire tugucokia apiro tondu document ciothe twina cio na bacia taito twina cio no tutirona hathi wega
kuma 1972 document ciothe na ndahenete ciothe na nginya mugunda uyu nginya twathiete na tukaheo title deed 1983 na nginya cithe-ini wa Kwarandi Nairobi.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyandarua, ritwa riakwa ni Simon Ngure.